Hello guys, this is F3. I'm a co-creator of Rocket Riders and a member of the Zeronia minigame development team, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to upgrade your Rocket Riders 1.0.6 or below worlds to Rocket Riders version 1.1.1, which is the most recent version as of the time of recording. Now, this release adds a new game mode called Crusade Mode, as well as 3 new modifiers and a ton of quality of life improvements and bug fixes. So it's pretty important for you to upgrade your world if you have an existing 1.0.6 or below world that you've been playing with your friends, if you want to have all the new content and patches and whatever else. So as you can see, I'm on a 1.0.6 world. If you scroll through all the game modes here, Crusade Mode is nowhere to be found. The modifier selection is pretty terrible, and there's just a lot of bugs in this version. So I'm going to be walking you through how to upgrade your existing world to 1.1.1 by downloading the data packs from the Rocket Riders GitHub repository and putting them into your world. So let's get started. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a Santa suit in November, don't worry about it. Alright, so here we are on the Rocket Riders GitHub page, and this is where all the code for Rocket Riders is actually stored. And you can actually download the code directly from here in order to update your worlds. So in this handy dandy releases tab, you can see version 1.1.1, and if you click that, then it has a whole change log of all the things that changed in this version. Note that this was actually after 1.1.0, which added Crusade and all the other stuff, so that one's pretty helpful to read through too. But anyway, you can download the source code here, and that'll come up right down here, and I'll go to Windows Explorer to show you what to do next. Alright, so now we're in Windows Explorer, and this is the zip file that I just downloaded. I just dragged it over to my world folder. I called this Rocket Riders 106 just for testing here, but anyways, we have all the data packs located in this zip file, so we're going to want to extract it. Alright, and that created a new folder down here, so we can delete the zip file, and now we've got all the code inside of this, so we're going to want to copy all of this except for the empty advancements.zip, license.txt, and readme.md. The reason why is because those folders are actually, or folders and files, they do not change between versions normally, so for this update specifically, you will not need to update either of these. So let's copy all of these. I just did Command C, Control C, anyway. Now we go to data packs, and we're going to want to delete these folders. So ignore empty advancements.zip and ignore license.txt. We're going to want to delete these folders right here. So I will hit delete and then paste in the folders from the zip file that was now extracted. And now that's kind of it. You can just go back to Minecraft. So let me do that right here. All right, and we're back in Minecraft. So now we're going to want to do /reload, and that will bring all the new data packs that we just pasted in into our Minecraft world. And just make sure that everything was installed correctly. And that was pretty quick. Now, notice that Crusade is still not listed on here. That's because we have to run one separate function in order to install the mode, since it was downloaded separately from your actual world, and there's some scoreboards and other things that need to be added separately. So we're going to want to type /function rr for Rocket Riders _ crusade : install. And I'll have this command linked in the description, not really linked, but pasted. Anyway, you'll want to enter that in, and it will say Crusade mode installed. And now if we cycle through the game modes here, we will see Crusade right at the end. And now we can hit confirm settings, and there we go. Crusade mode is in. So there's the kits, the base pre-game design, and then if we go to spectator, we can see all the Crusade bases, the fancy castle. So that means that your world is updated to have the newest changes. So hopefully that helps you. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you have any issues, and yeah, have fun playing Rocket Riders.